Replacing or installing a door may seem like a straightforward task at first glance, but it requires skill, precision, and the right expertise to do it correctly. While some homeowners might be tempted to tackle door installation as a DIY project, hiring professional door installers is often the wiser choice. For residents in Kendall, enlisting expert installers offers numerous benefits that enhance your home's safety, efficiency, and aesthetics. Here's why hiring professionals for your door installation matters. Ensuring proper fit and function. One of the key reasons to rely on professional door installers is to guarantee that the door fits perfectly in its frame. Even a small misalignment during installation can lead to air leaks, uneven gaps, and issues with opening or closing. This can create drafts, reduce energy efficiency, and even compromise security. Professional installers have the experience and specialized tools to ensure a precise fit, accounting for every detail, from frame dimensions to weather conditions. Their expertise minimizes the risk of problems down the line, giving you a properly functioning door that seals tightly and operates smoothly. Maximizing energy efficiency. Kendall homeowners know how important it is to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without excessive energy costs. Poorly installed doors can lead to air leaks, allowing warm or cool air to escape and causing your HVAC system to work harder than necessary. This results in higher utility bills and reduced energy efficiency. Professional door installers are trained to properly insulate and seal doors, ensuring minimal air leakage and improved energy performance. By hiring an expert, you can keep your home energy efficient, reduce heating and cooling costs, and maintain a more consistent indoor climate. Enhancing home security. Your home's exterior doors are the first line of defense against intruders. A door that isn't securely installed can become an easy target for break-ins. Professional door installers understand the importance of proper installation techniques that enhance security. They ensure that doors are properly aligned with locks and frames, minimizing weak points that could be exploited. Additionally, experts are knowledgeable about high-security locking mechanisms and reinforcements, making it easier for you to choose and implement additional safety measures. A professionally installed door provides peace of mind, knowing that your home's entry points are secure and protected against unauthorized access. Access to quality materials and options. Professional door installers have industry connections and access to a wide range of high-quality doors and hardware. They can help you choose the right materials, styles, and designs to match your home's architecture, aesthetic preferences, and functional needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient doors, impact-resistant models for storm protection, or stylish designs to boost curb appeal, experts can provide valuable recommendations tailored to your specific requirements. Moreover, they are familiar with the latest trends and technologies, ensuring that your new door meets modern standards and offers the best performance possible. Saving time and reducing stress. Installing a door can be a time-consuming process, especially if you're unfamiliar with the steps involved or lack the right tools. DIY installation often involves a trial-and-error approach that can lead to frustration, delays, and even damage. Professional installers, on the other hand, are trained to work efficiently and accurately. They have the experience to handle unforeseen challenges and complete the job quickly, allowing you to enjoy your new door without the stress and hassle of a DIY project. By hiring professionals, you can focus on other priorities while knowing that the installation is in capable hands. Compliance with local building codes and regulations. Kendall has its own set of building codes and regulations that must be followed for door installations. Professional installers are familiar with these requirements and ensure that your project complies with local standards. This helps you avoid potential fines, issues during home inspections, or the need for costly modifications down the road. Working with licensed and insured professionals also provides an added layer of protection. In the rare event that something goes wrong during the installation, their insurance can cover any damages, giving you additional peace of mind. Long-term value and warranty protection. Many door manufacturers offer warranties that may be voided if the installation isn't performed by a professional. By hiring an expert, you ensure that the warranty remains valid, giving you added protection against manufacturing defects and other issues. Professional installation not only guarantees the longevity of your investment but also provides assurance that the door's performance is optimized from the start. The smart choice for Kendall homeowners. Hiring professional door installers in Kendall is an investment in your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall value. Their expertise, precision, and knowledge of local codes ensure that your door is installed correctly, minimizing potential problems and maximizing benefits. From saving time and reducing stress to enhancing home safety, professional installation offers numerous advantages that far outweigh any upfront costs. When it comes to something as important as your home's entryway, leave it to the experts for a flawless result that you can trust. Professional door installation delivers the performance, durability, and peace of mind you deserve, making it a smart decision for every Kendall homeowner.